This is the third video in the pipeline of moving Dicom images into the online CT viewer. So in the last step, we're going to take the grid we just made from the previous tutorial and we're going to move it into our server. So if you remember, when we set up the server the first time, we made this folder with all of the PHP files and our build. So copy the build, so that way you have a backup in case anything messes up. We're going to just name this build 2. Now go into the assets folder and then slides, and you'll see the slides that we use in the viewer. Replace file 01 with your new file 01. Right click on file 01 and look at its size. Not the size on disk, but the size. And we want the size in bytes here. So copy that. And now go to assets.txt and find file01.jpg. So this line tells us the file name, the size in bytes, and its type. So replace the byte size with your new byte size and remove the commas. If we were making this a PNG, we'd have to change this type here to PNG, and we'd also have to change the file name to end with a PNG. But it's still a JPEG, so you don't have to change either of these. So save your assets.txt, and now go to slidedim.txt and change the first file. So we will want to change the second two numbers to match our new dimensions. And I believe it was 133 slices total. Now go all the way up to our test folder where you had the php.exe file. Hold Shift and right click to open up a PowerShell and type php-uppercase s localhost :8000 lowercase t build 02 and hit enter. Oh, right. So in PowerShell, you have to explicitly state that php.exe is in our current working directory. So put a // in front of that. So now we see our servers started. So we can open up our web browser and go to localhost :8000. And now we see our new image is working in the viewer. And you're done.